Okay, boys and girls, so we're ready to check our possessives worksheet. Make sure that you have the one that has a 4 at the bottom first. I know that's weird, but we're starting with the one with a 4 instead of the 1. So you should have a checking pen and a highlighter. This is all about possessive nouns. We know possessive means things that you have or own. So you can label that. Examples, there is one tiger. Its body has stripes. So therefore, since it's one tiger, they use an apostrophe S. The tiger's body has stripes. There are 2 woodchucks. Their teeth are long. The woodchuck's teeth. Since the S is already on the end, because it's plural, you just add an apostrophe. If you cover up from the apostrophe on, you still have plural woodchucks. Number 1, there is one shark. Its teeth are sharp. The shark, it's just one shark. So you write the word shark and then you add apostrophe S to show that it's one shark. One shark's teeth are sharp. He has teeth. There are 2 spiders. Their webs catch insects. Well, spiders already has the S on the end. So you write the word spiders and then you put an apostrophe after the S. What do they own? They own webs. So the spider's webs catch insects. There are 6 lizards. Their tails have stripes. Well, what do they own? They have their tails. It's more than one. So you put the S on the end, lizards, apostrophe. What do they have or own? Tails. The lizard's tails have stripes. There is one pig. Only one pig. I wonder what he owns. Oh, he has a tail. Its tail is curly. So pig is singular, apostrophe S. What does he have? A tail. Cover it up. Still have one pig, the pig's tail. There are 2 bears. I wonder what they own. Their fur keeps them warm. They have fur. Since it's plural, bears already has an S. Just add an apostrophe to show that they own or have fur. Bear's fur. There is one giraffe. Its baby is called a calf. I didn't realize that. It's one giraffe. Add apostrophe S. The giraffe's baby is called a calf. That's it for that page. All right, flip it over. Again, this is about possessive nouns. There are some directions at the top. A possessive noun shows who or what owns something. Singular nouns are made possessive by adding an apostrophe and then an S. The example is the boy's kite flew high in the sky. It is one boy. If you cover up from the apostrophe on, it's still one boy. Plural possessives, meaning there's more than one person, place, or thing, are formed by adding an apostrophe after the S. So right now, hopefully you are watching the video and you're paying attention. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, then you have not been watching the videos. You need to add to your sentence, to your phrase. You need to add the words, in my life. Okay? When a plural noun does not end with an S, an apostrophe and then an S are added. So basically, irregular plurals, like we talked about before, doesn't have an S, so you just do apostrophe S. All right, directions. Rewrite the underlined nouns in the sentences below to make them possessive. The baby toy fell on the floor. What does the baby own? It's a toy. It's just one baby. So the baby, apostrophe S, toy. Number 2, Susie doll had red hair. Just one Susie, so put Susie, apostrophe S. What does she own? A doll. Susie's doll had red hair. Those boys' shoes. They were talking about more than one boy. So those, sorry, I need to capitalize that. The S is already on the end of the word because it's plural. Those boys, apostrophe, shoes. They're talking about more than one boy whose shoes are in the locker. All right, again, I am going to stop and tell you to add, and you're actually finishing your phrase. So if you turn this in, you will get a reward. And that is why I succeed. And that is a quote from Michael Jordan. Add that on. All right, number 4, the women computer was broken. The women, that's already plural. It's an irregular plural. It does not end in an S, so you just add apostrophe S. So more than one woman is owning that computer. The dog ball went into the street. It's one dog. So put dog, the dog, apostrophe S to show that it owns the ball. Ben mom brought his snack to school. One Ben, type his name, apostrophe S. It's his mom, cover it up, it's still one Ben. The children toys were left out in the rain. Oops. The children, it's more than one child, but it's already plural just because it's the word children. So you just put apostrophe S, all of their toys. Children's toys. The girl milk spilled in the floor. They were talking about one girl, apostrophe S. Ooh. It's her milk. One girl. Tony's sister fell off the swing. Tony, one Tony, apostrophe S to show that it's his sister. Tony's sister. The pan handle was very hot. It's one pan, apostrophe S. It has a handle. Still one pan. All right, that is it. Keep this in your centers folder so that we can turn it in when it is time, and we're done.